What up, YouTube? We back at it again. We're about to start our journey for our East Coast trip. This was a 6-day bike trip. It's going to be broken up to multiple videos. But right now we're leaving Champaign, headed to Erie, Pennsylvania. As y'all know, these Harleys got some vibration, even though it don't really feel like it sometimes. They be vibrating. And as we had to pull over for a minute because Rennie's bag was falling off the back seat, so Trey saw it, so it gave me the signal, so we had to pull over real quick, strap it back down. Now we back out here pounding this pavement. This is what happened when you
loaded down. Big boy like me. I usually get pretty good gas mileage, but I only got 204 on that tank, so it is what it is. We're always waiting on Pretty Ricky. You ready, Pretty Ricky? Knocked out this first 200. Run another 200. We ain't in no hurry. We just enjoying that time off and hanging with the fellas. We'll see you ladies when we get back. I'm gonna need mine with a birthday suit on. I know she gonna get mad for me saying that, but that's how you do when you're mad. And she gonna miss me because I've been gone all week. So Mrs. Coleman, I'll be back.
Back at it, getting this footage. We out here, we in Ohio, we on the road on our way to New York. You know, got Cranberry, aka Juicy, got Big Woo on Black Beauty, and we got Cuzzo Reno. He ain't even named it. I'm gonna name it for him, the Great Ghost. You know, we over here about to drop the bag. We about to go up in Toledo, run around Lake Erie. You know, had a little trouble. My light wasn't working because it wasn't hooked up, but it's all good. So now we just chilling, as you can see, right here at the little toll road. How you feeling, Woo?
I'm good.
Tell you how I'm feeling. It's starting to warm up. It's about 86 degrees. It's about time to come out this damn jacket. I can tell you that. I say it's about time to come out this jacket.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it. I'll probably go to the next gas stop.
Yeah, yep, that's what we gonna do. But we just rolling, you know, getting this footage. It's gonna be like a 4-part video. We on our East Coast run, you know, having some fun. I'll link up with the Chicago flow tomorrow. But yeah, it is what it is.
I advise, if you ain't built for this, don't try this.
It ain't for everybody.
Hey, in-towners, leave it alone.
Y'all know who y'all are.
Yeah, we got the old man hanging in with the young folks. He ain't tired yet. He's still hanging in there. You gotta have him.
Man, this dude on his dirt bike was rolling on the highway as we're going through the city of Cleveland. He has his feet kicked up on the front fender. I don't know if you can see it right there, that he has his feet up, and we're rolling about almost 70 miles an hour. That was crazy, but it was cool. I mean, nothing but bikes, as long as he on 2 wheels. All right, day two. We at it again. Now it's time to get a little food in the belly, a little coffee, something, before we get back over there on the road.
Well, I don't know if my mind right now, something I just seen on TV,
What's that? Oh man, hey, I just put them up on that P Valley, y'all. I know that's a little cray. But that P Valley, I'll go clip or something
I'm
else.
trying to give you a little food, just at least.
He got to get that out of his brain right now. But hey man, that's that
Y'all
Chuckalisa.
wrong for that.
Chuckalisa, Mississippi. Is it like that for real?
No.
Yeah, somebody tell me. All right, y'all. So we finna check out Erie, Pennsylvania, day 2. Here we go. All right, we done ate. All right, Rennie didn't put on about an ounce. You know, I done probably put on about 5 pounds just by drinking water and eating potatoes and eggs. Trey, what you doing, man?
Get the bugs off the camera.
Yo, they're clean.
Don't be in the shot.
Why? Because we be riding, man. Look, we all dirty. But we gonna clean them up.
Beauty ain't never this dirty.
We might have time to clean them up today. Uh-oh, so I got here a bike. There we go. Oh, yeah, here a bike. Oh, several of them. There we go. Oh, yeah. A lot of bikes. Yeah. All the bikes rolling. There they go. One of the gas stations. Oh shit. The bikes have showed up. Alright. We just made it to Erie, Harley Davidson. That's what the signs say. Guess we about to go find out.
Yeah, I'm finna go spend some of Lorenzo money.
Yeah. And I ain't got no more. Gas too high.
You guys coming from? Where?
Illinois?
Illinois, oh.
He's like, what?
I thought you said like Ellen or something. I'm like,
Where the hell is that?
what brings you to Erie?
Pass it through, head to New York.
Yep. I'll hit Niagara Falls and then hit New York, North Carolina,
nice.
DC, then go to Nashville and head back home.
Nice.
Yeah.
You're from Nashville?
No, from Illinois.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, just making a big circle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just making a big old circle.
I can't think today.
Yeah, you all right?
It's been a long week.
That's clean, trike. Need some bigger back tires, but that's clean. That's a good starting point. And then we can start putting some touches on it.
If I could trade mine in today, just take this.
You are not getting the trike, man. No, you're gonna finish on 2 wheels. I like this color. I like the bike. This color, nice. You don't like this color? That root beer, man. I'm like hooked on that color, man.
New bike they got. He's cool.
Well, hell, that bike outside. That's your bike with the different tour pack. Yeah.
You guys doing okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. This actually sold. All right. I like that color. It's 110. So use this one. Need that for the puppies.
This brick rack.
Oh, it look like it lock on. Oh, and they got
On that
wheels.
luggage rack.
Oh shit.
On my luggage rack. Put it on there. Sit it down.
I'm done. Oh shit.
And traveling.
Got the wheels. Oh hell yeah. Give me something like this and trick it out. Big bars, bigger rims. Take the bags off and make it a cholo style. Like on it. I was about to say, you ain't even sat on the track before. Let's see what it feel like.
Does it fit
How
me,
that fit?
man? Does it fit me?
I told you, that's my question. That's what I told him. Is it? Yeah.
Fell off it instantly as soon as you try to ride it. Yeah.
See?
He's good now.
Yeah, that's how I was like, man,
Trying to put his foot down and lean.
it's not gonna win.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Yeah?
Not the CEO.
Oh, okay.
Hey, hi, Joe.
How are you? How are you?
Yeah, it's a CVO. Got the back. Yeah.
Everything seems close.
Yeah, like you up on the tank.
Because there's little balls in the thing up there, so it must be good.
You know, like when you're going around a bend.
Get it, man. Get it. You'll never regret
You're
it.
going around a bend on it, it's just nervous to me. Oh, no.
Going around that corner.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like-
Because you're turning
You know what you
instead
got to do, but you don't want to do it. You know?
of. Right? Oh, Lord.
They turn fine.
I just getting used to it. Like,
Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what, when I got mine, I thought I would never get used to it. I wouldn't get anything else.
Yeah.
I wouldn't
Yeah.
ride anything else.
Okay.
They're comfortable.
Yeah.
It's one thing you got to get used to is not to put your feet down. And
Hey,
stop.
that's what he was just saying.
And I did, you know,
Yeah.
for a little bit.
Because you're so used to it on two wheels. Yeah.
Man, that is sharp, that one there.
It is pretty color.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
That is so sharp.
Yeah, that color is nice.
Yeah. You can't find any CDLs right now.
Yeah.
Putting that pressure on you, man.
Bigger motor.
Yes. Just sign here. Huh?
He gonna come back with the trailer.
Right. All right, Erie, Pennsylvania, we out. Rennie didn't end up buying that CVO, which he didn't need anyway. Stay on two wheels. He ain't ready for three yet. But we're going to link up with the Chicago Garage Flow at Niagara Falls. So stay tuned.